Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the King Azure Latch firmware is V2. 1 or later, and the battery is above 50%. Pair your phone via Bluetooth, open the King Azure app, and enter the admin PIN when prompted. Once done, select the device ID that matches the latch label. Make sure to keep the latch within 1.5 meters and clear metal objects that can block pairing. This initial pairing establishes secure control so you can proceed to configure functions. You now configure operational modes to suit use. In the Modes menu, choose Auto Lock for timed closures, Hold Open if frequent access is needed, or Manual for strict control. Then set the lock delay between 0 and 30 seconds, and fine-tune keypad timeout between 60 and 300 seconds so it matches traffic flow. Once done, create guest codes or scheduled access and enable activity logging so you can audit entries. This gives predictable, secure behavior. You finish by testing the latch through 5 open and close cycles, watching the LED and checking the app logs to confirm each action. If the latch is unresponsive, first toggle Bluetooth on your phone, re-enter the admin PIN, and repair. That fixes most connection faults. If the latch shows low power, replace with a fresh CR123A battery and recalibrate the latch position in the app so the bolt aligns correctly. These final steps ensure reliable operation and a quick fix when things.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.